Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to sign up for a Netflix account. Alright, if you find this video helpful, please leave a like and subscribe to the channel for more such tutorials. Now, first up, you'd go ahead over to your favorite browser. It could be your phone or computer. And here, just go ahead and go to netflix.com. Alright, just type in netflix.com and hit on enter. Wait for it to load. Now from here, you can just go ahead and easily enter your email address and hit on get started and enter your payment details and you're good to go. All right. But if you want to save up money, for example, right here, it says $169 or $3. Okay. And then depending on the value that you pay, the streaming quality will vary as well. For example, the minimum right here, 4K is not available. Okay. So if you want to save up money, you can go ahead and go to the comment sections below, scroll down and just click on this link to get enormous discounts. All right, click on it, wait for it to load. Now, once it loads, as you can see here, for $4, you'll be able to enjoy 4K HDR in Dolby. Okay, so just click on it if you want to purchase it now. And as you can see, we have the YouTube Premium, ChatGPT, and Spotify available as well. And don't worry, this website is not a scam. You can go ahead and browse through these categories right here if you want to as well. Okay. As you can see here, I currently have a subscription for Netflix. So just a quick heads up, this is a shared account and you will have your own profile. That's it. They will give you a username and a passkey or a passcode. Sign it in on your TV, phone, computer, or whatever device that you have. And then once done, enjoy watching Netflix for cheap. Okay. So the process, I'm just going to go ahead and create a new account just for you to see. All right. So I'm just going to click on purchase now and then select 3 months, 6 months, or 12 months. For 6 months, you'll only have to pay $14.49. Okay. If you just want a one profile, but if you want 5 profiles that is private, you can go ahead and select it, but the price will spike. Okay. So I prefer if you're the only one using, and go ahead and use this option. Okay. And if you want to share it, maybe for your family, you can go ahead and do so, but do keep in mind that there's only one login per session, okay? You can't watch simultaneously. So going back, 3 months, 6 months, 12 months, okay? You have auto renewal as well. So for 3 months, it says here $14.49, right? So just click on have a promo code or coupon, click on it. Now enter the promo code GUMMY, G-U-M-Y, $14.49, apply. And it's now $13.77. Just go ahead and click on go to payment and then enter your credit and debit card. Or if you have a Binance account, click on this option. Okay. Hit on pay now and it will ask you your payment details or bank details. Just enter your card number, expiration date and CVV and the name on card. And if you want to save your payment method, just go ahead and click on this radio button. Now once done, hit on pay now. And after that, just go ahead over to your subscriptions right here and same as what I've shown you earlier, right here, you'll get your passcode and username. There you have it. Well, I hope this video helps and I'll see you in the next one.